Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can log into your Sparda Bank online banking account. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Firstly, you'll have to open a web browser on your PC. Now on the top search bar, type banking.sparda.at. After you press the enter key, you'll be led to the official website of Sparda Bank and its login page. Here, all you'll have to do is type in your Sparda Bank online username. If you have forgotten your username, simply click on the Forgot Username button and follow through the process. But if not, after you've entered the username, all you'll have to do is click on this Further button, and then you'll be led to a page where you'll have to enter your password. And after entering your password, all you'll have to do is click on the Login button, and you'll be able to successfully log in to the Sparda Bank online banking account. So if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.